Hello and welcome to the channel. Right now, my internet and social media feeds are absolutely buzzing because DJI have just dropped a fantastic teaser for their upcoming drone, the DJI Avata 360. It's a flagship 8K 360-degree drone. It reminds me of the teaser footage DJI released earlier, which makes me wonder, could it have been shot with the DJI Avata 360? The clip shows around 41 seconds of incredible flying where a drone moves straight through a street packed with fireworks. Sparks are flying everywhere, the drone is weaving through the scene and the camera spins smoothly through the night in extremely challenging low light conditions. It seems to hint at what the DJI Avata 360 might be capable of, something quite different from DJI's current drone lineup. That means instead of pointing the camera while flying, the drone captures everything around it at once. Later on, you could reframe the shot anywhere, forwards, sideways, above, or even behind the drone. The teaser scene shows the drone flying low through a lit street filled with Chinese signage, tilting dramatically as it navigates tight spaces. But what really stands out is the incredibly smooth stabilisation. It almost looks like the perfect blend between traditional FPV flying and a 360 action camera. There's also a cinematic moment where the drone glides towards what looks like a train platform or station entrance, with lights reflecting beautifully off the rails and surrounding structure. 8K 60 frames per second HDR video is a feature of this drone, which would deliver huge detail, incredible dynamic range, and so much flexibility when reframing those 360 shots, and something that all drone pilots will definitely appreciate: an integrated propeller guard similar to the protection that we've seen on the original DJI Avata. That design would allow pilots to fly confidently in tighter spaces and safely close to subjects while still keeping the drone protected. If this teaser is really showing what we think it is, the concept is incredibly exciting. You get the protection and agility of the trusted Avata design, the immersive flying experience of FPV, and the creative freedom of a full 360 camera. For creators, that could be huge, because you could focus purely on flying the line first and then choosing the perfect shot later in editing. Now, we'll have to wait for the official announcement from DJI to confirm everything. However, on pricing, I've heard online that the camera body alone starts at $489, while bundles start at $680. Whether you're an experienced pilot or new to drones, now is a great time to get into flying or upgrade your equipment. So let's stay tuned and look forward to DJI's official release of the Avata 360. So the big question is, would you like a 360 drone like this? I know I would. Let me know down in the comments, and if any more teaser footage or announcements appear, I'll cover them right here on the channel. Thanks for watching. Please do like this video and please do subscribe to this channel.